In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks with Mailchimp to automate and maintain customer relationships. We'll build a simple automation in Zapier that adds every new QuickBooks customer to your Mailchimp audience so you can welcome them, tag them, and keep your CRM and email list in sync. Start by opening your browser and going to zapier.com. From your dashboard, create a new Zap. A Zap has two parts: a trigger, which starts the workflow, and an action, which does the follow-up. For the trigger, search for QuickBooks and pick QuickBooks Online. When Zapier asks which event should start things, choose New Customer. This tells Zapier to watch QuickBooks for any customer you add moving forward. Next, connect your QuickBooks account. Zapier will prompt you to sign in securely and approve access. Use a company file that has permission to read customers. After connecting, run the trigger test. Zapier will try to find a recent customer from your QuickBooks account. If your list is empty, quickly add a sample customer in QuickBooks first, then retest so Zapier has data to work with. With the trigger working, set up the action. In the action search box, type Mailchimp, then select the Mailchimp app. Choose the event that fits your workflow, commonly add update subscriber, which creates the contact if they don't exist or updates them if they do. Connect your Mailchimp account and authorize access to the correct workspace. Zapier will now show fields to configure the action. It will guide you to choose your audience and map the email, name, and any other details coming from QuickBooks. If your Mailchimp setup uses tags or groups, consider a tag like QuickBooks so you can segment these contacts later. Make sure your consent settings and double opt-in preferences match your list policy. When everything looks good, run the test for the Mailchimp step. Zapier will send the sample customer to your chosen audience and display the result. Check Mailchimp to confirm the contact appears as expected with the right fields and tags. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Keep your QuickBooks customer emails clean and unique. To avoid duplicates, use Mailchimp segments to trigger welcome or onboarding journeys for this tag, and periodically review any errors in Zapier's task history so nothing falls through the cracks.